Awesome people, welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. We got a True Leaf Market here. I made an order the other day, then I remembered I need to look at the porch, and I had just got this in. So another $40 deal. Even though I probably have half of this stuff, this is the salsa mix. So lots of peppers, onions, chives, what have you. This is for the pollinators. We got every kind of flower you can imagine. And, of course, the salad garden. So, lots of them. We got the radish, the cabbage, carrot, lettuce gourmet mix, the tomatoes. It's the salad garden. And then you got the medicinal and tea herbs. So, I think that was pretty cool. A couple of them look the same, but I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. A little bit of lavender and chamomile. Chamomile. The flowers are awesome, and so are the petals. Just thought I would show that real quick. And I got my energy back. If you can imagine me being low on energy. I always got a lot of energy, but it's time to get cracking for real this time. I'm gonna clean the yard, clean the house, clean the basement, clean the van. I'm gonna clean it all up. I'm thinking overtime is gonna run out in a couple weeks. I might need to go on a road trip, so I'm due for a road trip. I don't get sick, I can't get sick. So, because of this stuff, because I eat out of the garden avidly. So that's pretty much it for lunches and snacks at work. I just take things out of the garden. Some people freaking out. You eat raw potatoes? Yeah. Don't you eat all your vegetables raw? Some cooked. Alright, this is airplane number 17 and I gotta go because I'm not doing it again. And you have a beautiful day in the garden.